Ndị Igbo ekene m unu, ndị Igbo ekene m unu, mụanụ, zụanụ, ụmụ anyị zụọ anyị. Nwanne unu nwoke waja ofunye ụmụ dị ọka aka dị ọcha aka nsị ada ama aka aja. Yes. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. Good afternoon, good morning, depending on your location. Yes. Asị m ka m bịa na mgbede aka ịpachara n'ọnwụkwa na ife na-aga n'iru akwụ, but enwere m efe for live video now due to na enwere m ife nji n'aka, so nsị ka m ntụ ikwa n'ọnụ na ya amara ka anyị esi mee wee kwụọ nwaanyị ukwu wa. So ife na-efegharị n'elu efere mba ụwa nsị ka ntinye ọnụ ife gbasara two of our brothers, Reverend Father Mbaka and Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yes, even though na fana abo akpoba afa mana otu o si atụ iche ya amagola onye na direct iche. And it's this time we need to tinyekwa n'ọnụ n'okwu fa, because n'okwu etego odo na ọbụla taa ka anyị tinyebe n'ọnụ, but anyị ga na-etinyekwa na-aga n'ọnya ka anyị ji bụrụ mmadụ, nya ka anyị ji bụrụ ụmụnna. Enwere one thing na-aghọtara about Catholic Church na this generation. Catholic Church this generation na favor Catholic Church mmalụ before, even though na a lot of things are gone wrong, but if I have Catholic mma before can na afụzi a lot of behavior Catholic na that tolerate. A lot of people need this place here now free and what a punishment for them. I could remember when I was growing up as a child, and we movie art in bar. To the Reverend Father and the Reverend Sister they Saga art sometimes. I'm an Catholic Church standing their ground bound with that video. Bound or everything. Even people who made that video, I don't sure most of them are artists, but they direct everything. I don't sure na the Catholic rap for that time. I could remember, you know. But today it's not like that. But getting eventual continue no kwa. I think Mbaka just should be dosi awful when another video one night work Evangelist Ebuka Obi or just no na want a few information from even the mother na colleague, because if I have on this type of thing something I brought tab is Ebuka Obi mono on me. That is not a doubt about Madu. Because na mama go na religion na affects people's brain, not their mind. And the moment the religion affects your brain will not be functioning well. I will not that Ebuka publicly seen a sister bia na say na God said na ke ayipo akwa ka obia ka onu ya. Man that Ebuka no ku such a thing. This sister can do that thing. These sisters of this generation can do it. The sisters in this generation can do it, because Catholic Church organization, the leaders of Catholic Church organization in this generation, the weak, father strong. I'm a noble olden days. Catholic Church organization will summon him to provide that sister. I don't matter if Ebuka blood and jail. Mungadra doubt you only blood and G, because in the good to say present Yana, Yamana and Wacharo true to me. Yamana true to Adroni, and if I just go normal to see who before believe no one didn't again, and Nandian again before Bunoku. That is his normal way. But most sisters in this generation get me that in Oku because of getting Catholic Reverend sisters, most of them in this generation now practice religion. They are no longer Catholic people. They are no longer Christian. If I were religious folks. So, after need in Mbaka, you are adultwa, Savannah, Ebuka Kujo, Christ or whatever, the body of Christ. No, a lot of sisters can do that. And they may no doubt, even though na money, if I have RNG. You know, because so to because you present here, I know when I'm alive again, I am if I praise you. Yes. But let us take it back to even Menango Bala, Mbemechi 100 days fasting. A sister came there, seeing an accident, and then Jesus Christ will be an Bala. Catholic Church did not say anything. And such a person can have a sister till today. With the Catholic faith, Catholics don't believe in miracle. We don't believe in any miracle. Catholic gather accuse all mad anything miracle. No. If a Catholic in accuse faith, I don't know why we believe with faith, not by miracle. Or what any miracle Jesus Christ made. On your own, a Catholic Christian today will believe in Jesus. But the message was given to us. A lot of people acknowledge the message as in Igbo, even though the message was imposed on our ancestors. But upon a sister, a reverend sister Malo, now this is not the Catholic way. Yabia na crusade and after 100 days fasting. Next morning, Niam accident. Na Jesus Christ a heal again. Can I go one side? Gave it but on over Yedina that evangelist Ebuka Obi by saying the sister Beatunyama. Now we are the Lord said, Naji Puako, you will sister Kobiakonovia, gave a man the money Yedina doubting. There is no need of doubting him. Because Nandi sister na be any testimony as seen so many church, the fake Reverend Father as seen today. So, what if I doubt to learn Nifoku? But the only thing the Catholic organization, the best Mbaka came Arabia, maybe on the conference in Ebuka. Now, the best thing Mbaka would have done, the information to bishops. They will now summon Ebuka to provide that reverend sister. Because all Ghana against such a reverend sister, Ghana against the oath of Catholic Church by Ijokuwelo. Who ordained Ebuka as a priest or as an evangelist? Nobody. Then came away an ordained sister in age of the person, Siani Choki, Papa, no even Lord. And what if Anna Balumba here? Sometimes we use diplomacy to iron some things out. If Mbaka needed the email, draw the attention of the bishops to that statement, so that the bishops will summon Ebuka to provide the sister. And you put the sister up, there was their wife and the Lord Ugalia. Let us see my evangelist Ebuka or no. So I'm from Ivana Balumbana this time, I'm from Ivana analog, but I ain't one. This is one thing religion now causes among people. And we're on a peace, religion, what a go na Igbo. And we're on a togetherness, and we're on a love, or just katakata, or go namba, one na born with us in Abamba every day, and I know go na corner, my man, papa, but a family or two, and I am that this is the only thing religion need put there. So, my suggestion, my own opinion on this issue, the Catholic bishops should summon Evangelist Ebuka Obi to provide that sister. He provide the anya Sichuanya, Obune Chigi sister. Oh, Nigeria. Obune Chigi sister, Sichuanya. Obukan Nechi their sister. Obukan Nakarana sister, Sichizinia. Now that in Ebuka Puno Chuku Galia. Not the Zaipu Aquacoja Evangelist Ebuka Obi, a bound where. Meg no be as a wife. I ain't telling you angole, Leah rice, one mana, Fabu above go nasa. How good and other people are better on why than another practice religion, even not practice humanity. If you can one wine to them, or maybe invite, I must surely go. I must surely attend the marriage. So that even if I the Lord who pays you. But Iputana Bamba, a bromad like a banage in Bessa to local, like go to Mbaka Puta. Babakambana siding here, you got to go. Bobaku in not necessary, no. If we go before, we need to know even as a Ebuka and Mbaka, Kaimake, Puenaka, I know out. If Obana even as a Mbaka need to come out to let us know that even as a Lemon, my boy, I settle and only if Ebuka may adroma. We now blame Ebuka if my adroma, the tender apology to Gia. But Mbaka she who sometimes I like yours. I'm a fan of any pastor, any evangelist, or any fake reverend father, no. I'm a fan, but Obre I'm full if I got wrong na my manku. The way Mbaka na say to visit Ebuka these days. On a this come up or natural come up or grow. But Mama something between two of them that publicly we need to say it out. Do I see we if I blame on your mistake. You're born way for your man and immaterial what the your guy in Bayalo. Says by a lake, it is young who was young when I set up on even in a Tana Bank all around. Come I annual to an Twitch na punchy like this. Just good to me. I'm about other people. I believe Mbaka go beyond all those things. Like Odivoya go beyond Odioku yesterday on a to fellow Ebuka, even though no Ebuka for I am on a corner. I believe Nanya will go past at that level. If I would default and dinner be it na content creating or influencer or whatever on social media and Oberon way Fedelina his boy. Up to us, na if on your name. And then double all over our like opposite I need to be there. A modifying social media people na there. And my changing style, Mputo from my reverend father man, the pastor man, the evangelist, usually who put na church for. Mpuko, I'm even Mfuka Madden, we are going to invite on Pota because other man will be on the mother. So let us come together. Ebuka Mbaka, our senior brother. Reverend Fadeji Mbaka if Ebuka melia kaimali February fa Ebuka menya so that na I give you abuni if Ebuka me adroma we now come together to tell Ebuka evangelist Ebuka if I am guy adroma go and apologize to him so that everything here end una be together as na even though na mo kafu stand the CAK that na Christianity happen na Igbo Abria ya memfu ebe umwanne na abu na enwe nso against side yalo one person my side ro one person man onwe onye ne mme ife na adro mma aka ben no ife Ebuka me no no Mbaka and I know kwa me ebe Ebuka say na Mbaka me le video to but what we are seeing now is like Oga trying to you know me nwa boy nya ka onolo mayo ko ya li grow too which na the charo go to me. Yes. So but ma the happiest person on earth. I want Mbaka ga put one day say na Ebuka me le ife di otu a na ife Ebuka me. I enwezi ike kwu na mana obu na okwuru esi otu a na atufu okwu. It's not gonna be that all good. Otu a ka enwa esi kwa na akpafi ikwu ofu na akpafi okwu. Finally, let us understand na Catholic Church and where's that strong power family before because all before Catholic Church was strong power Ebuka will aman na by na anaga bishops that someone here you should provide that reverend sister so that they question her malo the reason more you eje the video to her opukwa na someone Ebuka or provide anybody na the thing we arrange any punishment immediately. But Obi not something who truthful. I caution one the sister. I caution one and new also because all this grace going and the Catholic Church and the Catholic faith by if we were such a thing. So or even say can tell you and we're on time in my live video today, but I think I'm cheap one my own opinion. On your sorrow such yes, I want no work wajo for no mudoka carry ocha. Kemensiano one.